YouTube, what is up? I am back with the brand new video. Now here today I'm going to be reviewing my most recent purchases that I've copped from Revenge, and that was from the last drop. This drop happened around December. It was like close to like the middle or like the end of December when this drop happened, and the drop happened on I forget the date, but I know it was on a Sunday. Of course, it's always on a Sunday. The drop happened a little bit later than expected. It happened at 5:20. Normally it usually, the site will go up around like 5:05 because Garrett's like always like, oh, I messed up, I hit the wrong button. How many times can you click the wrong button? I don't know, but the site went up super late. I was like trying to cop this shit while I was at work, so that was like another thing that was super stressful. But let's get into the shit. So I was really interested about this whole entire drop. They were talking about new blanks for the hoodies and the t-shirts, which I will get into in my other video. But these caught my eye. It was a full-on set. It had the track jacket, and it was black and white, and the pants were black and white also, and it was like a matching piece set. And I think the pants were like, they came up to like, well, they were like $80 something or something like that with the tax and everything. It was like 90, around like $100 or something like that or so. But these were not really worth my $100 per se, because the pants, they look great, don't get me wrong, they're cool, but the material that they used is like really thin, and I'm pretty sure if you like snag against something sharp or have something sharp in your pocket, you're going to poke a hole in these things easily, or just making the wrong move in them, you're gonna rip them. Because that's another thing, the sizing on these pants are super weird. If you're thinking about buying a pair, I would say size up, but I just didn't understand why these didn't fit true to size. Like the large fit like a medium, the extra large fits like a large, the medium fits like a small, and then the small fits like a extra small. That's what everyone's saying. Everyone is selling their pairs for some apparent reason, so I'm just like, hey, it's cool. I already sold my pair. I sold my pair for, I want to say like 120 or something like that on Grailed, and I don't really regret it. I got my money back. I got to see what the pants was gonna look like on me. I put them on, of course, but I just couldn't get down with the way they fit. It was too much like tightness around the thigh area, and it was like loose enough in the legs. The leg was perfect. It was just the thigh area that was a problem with me. But I really don't understand why that was just a botch fit on those pants. The blank they used was like so terrible, and it's just like, come on, man, come on, y'all dropped the ball on those for real. Like, I am disappointed because I had to sell those shits. I wanted to keep them. That was like a personal piece, and now I had to let them go. So I'm just like, fuck it, it's whatever. So now I'm just to the point to where I will not be buying any sweats from them or anything like that unless like I really know the sizing is going to be true to size. Like, I didn't buy the jeans from them. I couldn't get my hands on them, but it's just not worth my money or my time to be wasting. Like, that's another thing. My package got lost and it took a month to get here. That's why I'm just now doing this video, and it's just been crazy. It's just been a crazy time as far as like shipping wise and everything, and I'm just not sure like what's gonna happen as far as this year and how the brand's gonna be moving. But I'm liking what I'm seeing as far as the leaks that I've seen a couple pieces that I really like, and I've seen a couple pieces that I'm just like, you can throw those in the garbage. But we'll just see what is to come. Now I know the next drop that's happening tomorrow as I'm recording this is going to be for the Lightning hoodies, and I'm super excited about that. That is like one of my most sought after pieces, like far as like the recent releases that's coming from Revenge. And I just got like my whole game plan set out. Like, I'm gonna size up on the hoodies, like everything. Like, I'm gonna make sure I'm on top of my shit and I don't end up with the same shit that happened the last time. But I want to say thanks for watching the video. You know, thanks for checking out my channel. Check out my other revenge videos. Check out my video on the lightning drip tee and hoodie, that should be out as well. And I also have a video coming up on my recent cop. I've copped a pair of Dunk Highs, the pure platinums, and I just want to say thanks for everything. Drop a like. Peace. I'm out.